everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here. Let's go ahead and get right into this. So to start out, it comes with 24 little arrows with the sticky parts. It has 4 little holders, 2 of these, 4 of these, 7 of these. So it has 2 of these, 6 of these, and then it has 2 and 2. But let's go ahead, open it up. I'm going to go ahead and open this up outside, set it up and everything, and then show you my kids playing with them. Remember how to do it from that archery class, Brandon?
Just like this. Why doesn't it stick? It went out.
You want me to try it?
Yeah. We're gonna try.
No, because I need you to record.
Oh, no, wait. Oh, I stopped them. Try again and then I will. I know, Mom. I can go record.
Here.
I can record.
Let's see if I can do it.
Mommy, I can try to hit those tiny ones. There you go. How do you do it? How do you do it? Can I try this one? Look. Mom. Come on! I'll try. Well, wait a second.
Yeah.
What if I...
Oh, that was close, Brandon.
I got in the middle. You hold on. I licked it. What did this do? I knocked it off. I knocked off Mom's.
Okay.
That was like the Christian cat.
But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.